Welcome to codersclub.in. In this video, we'll see how to install this Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a popular editor used in software development. So let us go to Google and search for download Visual Studio Code. Download Visual Studio Code. So click on this link. So download for Windows. So press this button. So it is downloading now. So download is completed. Next, we have to install this. Click on this exe. It's starting. So accept the license agreement. Next. So it is asking you where to install this Visual Studio. So I will change this C colon to D colon. D colon. So I have changed this to D colon Microsoft VS Code. So if you have E colon, you can install it. So generally, it is better to practice. It's a good practice to install the software in other than C colon. So that is the reason why we are installing it in D colon. Next, press the next button. Next button. So here, create the desktop icon is there. You want, if you give this, and then others, you tick all the things. Okay. So these are some additional facilities offered by this Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Click next. Click install. So it is completed. Now launch the Visual Studio Code. It's coming here. Just say finish. So we will get this Visual Studio Code. So this is the Visual Studio Code. So I will close this. I'll now open it from the beginning. Now I'll go to my D colon. I'll go to command prompt. I'll go to D colon and I'll create a folder here called as DSU. So I'll change my directory to DSU. And then how to start this Visual Studio Code? This is the way, code and then a dot. So it starts Visual Studio Code in this folder called as DSU. And then you close this welcome screen and then you can open any new file here. So this is the way how to start Visual Studio Code. This is one way, and another way is go to that DSU folder in D colon. Right click here. So say open with code. Just type this. Click on this. So this also opens. So there are two ways. One is you can go to the command prompt and type a particular directory. You can go and give code space dot. It opens. Otherwise, in the Windows File Explorer, you go to a particular folder, right click and choose code. Click on that. This will open. So this is how to install the Visual Studio Code. So this is necessary for the software development. We are going to key in our programs here. Okay, all different types of files, maybe HTML file, maybe CSS file, maybe JavaScript file. Okay, all the things are possible here. Thank you.